Can you download UFL on PC? What's up everyone, in today's tutorial we're going to see if you are able to download UFL on PC. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's get into it. So as you can see, UFL is a new game, football game announced. So currently you are not able to play on PC, but what you can do is open up your web browser and search for UFL and tap on this link, join UFL. Now, once the official website for UFL is open, you just have to select your cookie preferences first, and then you will see this option play for free right here. As you can see, you only have two options right now. On Steam, you are not able to play it. You can just add it on your wish list because it's soon to be announced. So if you want to download it on your PS5, go ahead and click on it. And once you get to your PlayStation, you just select your country and then you can just log into your account. Once you log in, you can just go ahead and install it on your PS account. And if you want to download it on your PlayStation, and then if you want to download it on Xbox, you just click on it, log into your Xbox account, and you can download it from there. But if you want to add this to your wish list, you will need the Steam application. So just go ahead and search for Steam download on the web browser. And if you already have Steam, you can just open it up. Here you can just download Steam. Then once you have downloaded it, go ahead and open up your Steam. And once your Steam is open, you can just go ahead and search for UFL on the search bar like this, and it will show you the result. This is the first one is soon to be announced. So as you can see here, planned date, release date is also to be announced. So if you're interested, you can add it to your wish list like this, but be sure to log into your account first. And once the release date is announced, you'll be notified on your account. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.